everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I've talked a little bit about this in some previous videos. We're making some changes to our house, nothing major. We are just redoing, like redecorating and reorganizing my 15-year-old daughter's room. We are kind of reworking the playroom situation for some various reasons that I will share with you guys in a future video. And so with all that stuff going on, I wanted to change my gift wrap organization situation. Previous to making this change, I had my gift wrap supplies kind of in a bunch of different places. Like, it was all in my room, but I had the wrapping paper under the bed. I had 4 boxes that had like bows and ribbons and bags and all that stuff. And I decided I wanted to do something different with those boxes that the stuff was in. So when we were changing the playroom, I decided to go ahead and make a gift wrap station set up in the playroom. It just takes up a tiny little spot, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I wanted to share it with you guys in case you are struggling to store and organize your gift wrap supplies, like your paper, your bows, your tags, your ribbon, your tissue paper, your wrapping paper, all of that stuff. Maybe you don't have a lot of room, you don't have a lot of budget. You can definitely use this same system in a variety of different places, like a closet or a little corner of a room like we did. So if you guys want to see how I have recently reorganized my gift wrapping supplies, then stay tuned. Okay, so we moved my oldest daughter's desk into the playroom. So this used to be in her bedroom for about a year or two, and it was just too cramped in there. So we moved it in here, and it's working out really nicely to have it in here. So we just left a little section. There's like this little weird thing behind the door, this little weird cutout wall. So I already had this Ikea wire shelf. I don't know what it's called, but they do still sell it. I saw it the other day. I had that. It used to be in our closet, and so I wanted to be able to still use it. So I didn't have to buy that, which was nice. All I bought was these 3 things here, which are actually supposed to be plastic bag, like storage things to hang them on the wall, which you could use them for that. I obviously am using them for wrapping paper, so I have all my wrapping paper right there, and there's still room to put other rolls in. Now my Christmas wrapping paper stays up in the attic, so this is all non-Christmas wrapping paper, but those fit perfectly right there. They hold quite a few rolls of wrapping paper, and then just down below I have my wire sorting shelf, and it's just the perfect little spot for it. I can bring presents in here when I need to wrap them, and everything I need is in here. Normally, right now, someone ran off with my tape and my scissors, but normally they are in here as well. But in the first pull-out drawer, I just have any boxes and tissue paper. So lots of different boxes, different sizes. In the first drawer, in the second drawer, I have all of my gift bags, including fabric gift bags, and then I've got like cello goodie bags in the back underneath there. In the next drawer, I have all of my ribbon, and these smaller rolls I just have in this used to be a jewelry tray, and just the bottom of it. I just put that in there so they would not fall through the holes and keep them kind of all on the same level. So that's all my ribbon, and then all of my bows fit in the bottom drawer, and they really don't get crushed this way because they don't weigh very much. So even though they are kind of on top of each other, they don't get crushed. It's kind of how I had them in my bedroom before. They were in a box. So same type of situation, and there's just tons of all different colors of bows in here. And normally when my tape and my scissors aren't stolen, normally my tape dispenser is here and my scissors stay there, and then I have an extra roll of tape. So everything in here fits really, really perfectly. It's such a small little area that holds so much stuff. And it's so nice to have everything kind of all accessible, because before I had all of this stuff in one area, but they were all in separate boxes, and I didn't know which box was which, and I would have to like open them up and take the lid off to see what was inside. So this is a lot nicer and gives me a lot more room to wrap gifts, so I can just sit here in the playroom floor and wrap gifts. And I wanted to share with you guys because it does take up such a small amount of space, but it holds so much. You could put it in a garage, in an office, in a playroom like we have it here. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I have reorganized my gift wrap storage and organization, and maybe it gives you guys some ideas of how you can store your gift wrap supplies in your house as well. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.